Hey YouTube, I'm here stripping this 99 Mercury Mountaineer, and this one has shocks on the hood. I won't be reselling those parts, but they're bad. But I want to show you how to remove these hood shocks on these Ford programs here. This is for the Explorers and the Mountaineer, and you'll see right here is the hood shock, and this one is bad, of course. But to get these off, you have one at each end. If you'll see right here, this is a clip. Let me get a smaller screwdriver here. Alrighty. Now, what you'll do is you'll place this right here. You can see that clip pulling out. Trying to do this one-handed. There it is. See, the clip pulls out, and when the clip pulls out, the shock pops right off. So this is how you remove the hood shocks on a Ford Mountaineer, a Mercury Mountaineer, or a Ford Explorer, and I believe maybe the Rangers have this same setup here. But anyway, just pry this clip off. There's one at each end. You pop it off, and you put on the new clip assembly. And nice and easy. Then you got hood shocks, and now the hood won't fall down on your head and bust you up. All right. Hey, hope this helps you. Let me get back to stripping this.